Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm happy.
What's your name?
My name is Phong.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Where are you from? Where are you from? Are you from China? Are you from Singapore? Where are you from? Hanoi? Ho Chi Minh? Dalat? Where are you from?
Vietnam.
Are you? Okay. What animal do you like? I like chickens. What animal do you like?
I like dog.
What color do you like? I like green. What color do you like? What color? I like red and purple and yellow. What color do you like?
Blue.
Okay. Where are they? At my
birthday party.
Very, very good. What's this?
Birthday cake.
Yes. What's this?
Pasta.
Yes.
Pizza.
Yes.
Popcorn.
Very good. The pasta is.
The butter is yummy.
Yes.
The
popcorn.
The popcorn is yummy.
Mhm.
Pizza is yummy.
Very good. That's right. Where are they? In the backyard. In the backyard. What's this?
Bike.
Yes.
Kitchen.
Yes.
Guys.
Very good. What is he doing?
He's flying a bike.
He's not playing a bike. He's riding. Riding a bike. Yes. What's this? What's she doing?
She's flying with a kitchen.
Yeah, she is playing. What's she doing? She's
flying a kite.
That's right. Flying a kite. Very good. Where are they?
In the village.
Village. That's right. What's this?
Volleyball.
Yes.
Village.
Yes.
Van.
Very good. Can you draw a van? Can you draw a van? Can you draw a van?
No, I can't.
No, I can't too. Can you draw a volleyball?
No, I can't.
No. Can you draw a village?
No, I can't.
Okay, me too. Where are they?
In the kitchen.
That's right. What's this?
Jelly.
Yes.
Juice.
Yes.
Yams.
Very good.
I like juice.
Yes.
I like jelly.
Yes.
I like jam.
Very, very good. Where are they? At the seaside. That's right. Yeah. What's this?
Sand.
Yes.
Sea.
Yes.
Sail.
That's right. Let's
look at the sun.
Yes.
Let's look at the sea.
Yes.
Let's look at the sail.
Yeah, very good. Where are they?
At the countryside.
Very good. What's this?
Road.
Yes.
River.
Yes.
Rainbow.
Yes.
I can see a road.
Very good.
I can see a river.
Yes.
I can see a rainbow.
Yeah, very, very good. Where are they?
In the
classroom.
Classroom.
What shape?
Circle.
Yes.
Triangle.
Yes.
Square.
Yes.
Rectangle.
Yes.
Oval.
Yes.
Star.
Yes.